Welcome back to part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, here's a quick reminder. Kill other players, collect their coins, get rich. Easy, right? But there's a twist. There's a moving bank and everyone's fighting for it. The player will have a suitcase that's zip tied to them. You can store your coins in there to be safe, but if another team gets the bank player, you lose all of the coins. Our first plan was to hold this village and wait for the bank team to get close to us so we can ambush them.
Movement.
How are you getting them?
Two behind us and two in front of me. There's two behind. There's a big fuck off tree over there.
Yeah, the tree over there.
Yeah.
Two back.
Oh, they're dead.
Yeah. Kill them.
That is good.
I'm gonna go rush them. I'm gonna rush them. You know you're lucky. Oh, yeah, it's not.
All countries got that close.
May I have your coin, please?
At this point of the match, we got bored of village and went to hunt for the bank.
It's close, it's stuck behind a tree.
In front of us. Go on!
The bank team cowardly hid inside the building and we tried to get to them.
7, 8, 9, 10. Funny.
What he was saying is that all the teams is now one big team and we all need to
What did he
rush
say?
them and get the gold.
Here! Okay, right. Fire flip. Here! What a shot!
Thanks, but
Here!
I'm here.
Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Well, what a push. I think everyone.
Contact close, right side! 1 o'clock! Yeah, play body 3 here.
Hello.
Hello. Everything you've got.
Then we're allowed to respawn and try again.
Go.
Yeah.
And this will sadly be the end of the video. This game was absolute chaos and I loved every minute of it. Once again, thank you Jeff for allowing me to record. I'll definitely be coming back again soon. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
You guys held this fucking thing.